Greetings friends, I'm Geofatboy for ShaveNation.com. This is a straight razor that I picked up a few years ago, at least 10 years ago, and it has what's called a singing blade or a ringing blade. The reason for that is the blade geometry, the way it's hollowed out. It makes the blade thinner and it flexes more and it vibrates more, and it will even create a sound if you flick it with your thumb. Check it. That's what's known as a singing or a ringing blade. Hamburg Brosem Ring, special hollow ground, Brosem registered. It will not plink hairs. It will not cut them midway, but it will, let's see, it will remove them with a little bit of pressure. Not that sharp. Let's see if we can make it a little bit sharper. We'll use our Naniwa 12K stone. This will be considered a touch-up. Soak it in the water. Just squirt some water on the stone to keep it fully saturated. Now I'll perform some round trips on the 12,000 Naniwa stone. Just pressure in the center of the blade, keeping the blade flat on the stone. Rolling on the spine. Never roll on the sharp edge, always on the spine. Don't need to perform the X pattern because this blade is a bit smaller than the stone, so you can get by. If you want to do the X pattern, just like this. You can see it pushing the water out of the way. Just give it a few round trips with just slight pressure on the blade itself. Again, keeping it flat on the stone. You can see the discoloration in the water where the blade is coming off on the stone and being soaked up in the water. And the final few strokes, I'll just lighten the pressure on the blade. Just a little finishing pass, a few round trips. And you're just rolling it in your thumb and forefinger like a pencil, just like that. Let's dry it off. Now I'll go over to the Shave Nation 3-inch leather strap, and I'll give it some round trips on the fabric side loaded with green chromium oxide, and then some round trips on the smooth leather side. I gave it around 25 round trips on the fabric side loaded with chromium oxide, and then I gave it around 50 round trips on the smooth leather side. Let's see how it works. Much better. Now it's able to plink some of the hairs off midway. Look at that. and removes the hair much better. So that's all it took for this one. This one wasn't super dull. This is what's known as a touch-up, where I just did several round trips on the Naniwa 12,000 stone. By the way, back in the day they used to come in a stand like this, but they no longer do. I think Naniwa got a little bit greedy and now they just ship the stone. That's it. They don't supply the stand. When you buy it now, you just get the white stone portion. So I did the round trips on the Naniwa 12,000 stone. Then I went over to the strop, loaded with green chromium oxide on the fabric side, and did about 25 round trips, and then around 50 round trips on the smooth leather side of the strop. And that brought the razor up to par, where it should be good enough to shave with now. Easily removes the hair on my arm, no problem, as you can see. I hope that helps you. Just a quick review on how to touch up a straight razor. And if you want to pick up any of these sharpening stones or strops or chromium oxide, just click down below the video where it says more or show more. There will be some links down there and you can get whatever you need. Or go to shavenation.com, enter what you need in the search box, it'll pop right up. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave, have a great day.